Hey folks, welcome to my channel. My name is Saki and today we are going to do some adventure at McKinney Fall State Park. This park is an oasis on the outskirts of Austin, featuring with wildlife, hiking, camping, fishing. Before I came to this park, I like to research and see what's the background and history of the camp, which make me more excited or scared the hell out of me, make my night spooky. After researching a while, I find out there people used to be drowned in this water and lost their life. I will tell you the story of it later tonight. If you are new in this channel, first of all, thank you so much for tuning in. Second, my name is Saki and I'm full-time employee, and I try my best to upload video every week, if not every second week, and I will take my time on my video. I go with quality, not quantity. So if you like quality, make sure to subscribe on this channel. I will sleep in my car, which I built from scratch. If you're interested, build one like this. Click on the top right eye icon showing on the screen to watch full video of my build. Time 11:13 a.m. Central Texas. Weather temperature 58 degrees. Little bit windy but sunny day so far. I decided to make myself a cup of coffee to boost my energy for the rest of the day. Try to make a latte coffee with my empty bottle. Of course, the first process: boil the water, crush the coffee, and pour the cream inside the empty bottle and shake it until you can't shake it anymore. Pour the coffee in French press. Let me tell you 5 benefits about drinking coffee. First, boost your energy level. May link lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Second, could support your brain health. Third, may promote weight management. After a good shake, here's the result of the coffee.
Tasty.
After drinking coffee, I'm going to make myself a steak. Not a pro steak, a cheap steak. I'm going to add salt, black pepper, red chili powder, and enjoy it with the rice. I brought it from home. I decided to cook the entire steak because I don't have any fridge and ice to keep the meat fresh. With this steak, I have some rice brought from home and already cooked it, so I go with sushi rice because they are easy. 2 cups of rice, 2 cups of water, and steam it and you have a delicious rice ready to go. The steak turned out so delicious. I'm going to heat up the rice and enjoy it with my steak.
Free alcoholic, 0.
After eating that delicious steak and rice, I decided to cut some wood and get ready for chilly weather late night tonight. So I start cutting some wood, but my axe sucks. I really need a new axe to chop the wood because last time I chopped my hand almost. And here's my home for tonight. Pretty cozy, right? Then I noticed I forgot water and I decided to open portal to gas station and get some water, but it didn't work, unfortunately.
Here's my temporary tarp.
Memory has a big role in my life. I like to capture him by writing down. The best things in life are the people you love, the place you go, and the memory you make. Life is packed of memory. The more memory you create, the richer your life will become. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. We use this word every time, every day in our daily life. But let me ask you this. How do you sure 100% that you're gonna see your friend tomorrow? If you do, be thankful of your life, whatever you have, however you are, however you look. Start enjoying and stop complaining. The sky looks cloudy. Tomorrow it rain, probably, but tonight, if we do so, we make my camp more cozy. It's getting darker slowly and weather is getting chilly. I think it's about time I tell you the story of those people that lost their life here. 10 years ago, 7 years old, 50 years old, 10 years old, father and sons came to this place, the Lure Fall area. They tried to swim and somehow they drowned in the water and lost their life. 8 years ago, there's a man who jumped in the water and he got stuck between the rock, couldn't move, and luckily there was a young girl. He jumped in the water, saved his life. Life comes one, so guys, be careful wherever you are, whatever you do, be safe. Imagine underwater when you are losing your last breath and thinking about those people you love and thinking that you're losing your life. How hard it is. It's very hard. For the dinner tonight, I have some chicken wings and some beef, and also I have some veggie and kimchi with me, which is I'm gonna enjoy tonight.
Delicious.
I will see you guys in the morning, hopefully. Good night. Luckily, I set up my tarp just in case, but suddenly it started pouring. For the breakfast, I have a sausage, turkey bacon, scrambled egg with onion, and that's a pretty good breakfast for me. And I'm going to enjoy it, my breakfast, and after a cup of coffee, and I will pack up, and that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do, you know what to do. I see you guys on the next adventure in the next video. Peace and be safe out there.